Welcome everybody. You are watching Karan Singh Math Academy and welcome you on Karan Singh Math Academy. Today we will discuss some examples of limit. As you know very well, we are discussing limit. That is third video of our series. Before this video, I have also made two video on limit. So that is third video on this, and in this video we will discuss some questions of limit. So this is question you can see on your screen. This is question number first. So let us start this question. As you know very well that x tends to 3 is a limit of this function. So this limit we have to put in this function. So let us put limit in this function. So that is the value of x. So you have to put here. So that is 3 to the power 3 and that is minus 27 and that is 3 minus 3. So as you know very well that the value of 3 to the power 3 is 27 and this is also 27 and in the denominator there is 3 minus 3. So as you know very well that will be cancelled and the answer will be 0, 0.0. So as you know very well that is indeterminate form. So you have to know that is indeterminate form, and also that is if you find this type of indeterminate form then you have to use L.H. rule. So L.H. rule, so first of all I want to tell you that what is L.H. rule. L.H. rule is that you have to differentiate upper part of a fraction and lower part of a fraction. So differentiate this function. So as you know very well that differentiation of x is 3x square, that is the differentiation of this x cube, and this differentiation also 0, and this part of differentiation is 1 and that is 0. So now this is not indeterminate form. You can put x to the power 3 in this function. So that is 3 multiply, you have to put this 3. So that is 3 to the power 3 and that is 1. So that means 3 and that is the 3 to the power 3 means that is 9 because the whole square of 3 is 9. So multiply this, 9 3 are 27. Then the answer will be 27. So that is the answer of the limit, that is 27. So let us start on question number. This is question number 2. You can see on your screen. So limit x tends to 2 and that is x to the power 9 minus 1 and x minus 1. So put to limit x tends to 1 in this function. So you will find that 1 to the power 9 and minus 1 and that's 1 minus 1. As you know very well that 1 to the power 9 means 1 and that's minus 1 and that's minus 1 minus 1. So that means that is undetermined form. 0, 0.0, that is undetermined form. So you have to use L.H. rule in this function. So using L.H. rule in this function, so that means the differentiation of x to the power 9 is 9 x to the power 8 and differentiation of 1 is 0 and that is also 1 and minus 0. So now you can use x tends to 1 in this function. So that is 9 and multiply 1 to the power 8 and that is 9 and that's multiply 1 to the power 8 means that is 1. So 9 1 9. So the answer will be 9. Okay, that is the answer will be 9 of this function. So let us go to the question number 3. That is question number 3 of the limit. So you have to put x tends to 2 in this function. So let us put, so that is 2 to the power 4 and minus 16, and the denominator here you have to put 2x to the power 2 because 2 minus 2. So as you know very well that 2 to the power 4 means that is 16 minus 16, and the in denominator there will be find 2 minus 2, so that is will be cancelled. So that is 0, 0.0, that is indeterminate form and you have to use L.H. rule in this function. So by using L.H. rule, you have to differentiate upper part of this function. So that is 4x q and minus 0 and that is 1 minus 0. So using x tends to 2 in this function, so that is 4 multiply 2 to the power 3 and that is 4 multiply 8 and 8 4 that is 32. Then the answer will be 32 of this function. So that is the answer of this function, 32. So these are some questions of limit. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching.